Oh, you fucker. Oh my. In the slidey bit. Oh my god. That would not be good. Right, we're headed into Kinross services. My favourite services in the world. For no other reason than they're the one that I go past, basically, and I never buy anything in there. I go for a P, a number one, never a number two. We go for a number one, and never buy anything because it's far too expensive. It's horrible. But why I come here is for a little fag break, and this is where I always park, right beside the Costa Coffee board thing, and I park here, and then I put the bike in neutral, and I go like that, and I put like that, and I get off, and I go, oh yeah, bugger, and then I always have a little look at Brutus to admire the magnificent Triumph Sprint GT 1050 Sports Tourer. Look at the state. Look at the state of him. That sticker's coming off. Beowulf sticker. It totally cheapens what is a decent exhaust, I think. This is where I was pressure washing the inside, and I started taking off the black paint. I thought, oh, what's that? And I kept on going. I thought, shit, I'm taking it off. So I think it's probably more thermally efficient with the black paint off, but I'll leave it at that. I'm not going to take any more off. And face reveal. Yeah. So yeah, I've been really getting the knee down on the way up, as you can see. I think I've went to about here. The roads are like, even this part here, you can see how shit slidey that is. Minging. Look at that. It's horrible. So yeah, it's time to get the fags out and pay a smoke, which I shouldn't be doing because obviously I'm meant to be giving up for a new year. Just wanted to speak a little tiny bit about, just noticed my Icon Konflict gloves. I highly rate these. I think they're absolutely brilliant. Conflict because I think it's conflict with a K, because obviously they don't want to be too controversial and aggressive, but they've got these quite aggressive looking knuckle guardy bits. Protection wise, I don't know if they'd be very good. They're very thin leather, which is actually why I like them. This is like really thin. Fantastic summer gloves. I use them in winter, but they give absolutely, like, no, it's that one that makes absolutely brilliant feedback from the controls of the bike. They're like really great for that. I hate winter gloves. I hate that thick, no really feeling anything. So this is like really thin leather. Like I say, in the event of a crash, they'll probably be quite crap. They're not exactly held on. Look at my tattoo and watch. They're not exactly held on very well. Sort of Velcro that comes around like that, but comfortable. Oh, they're so comfortable. Raise my visor because it's steaming up, because I'm getting too excited about talking about these gloves. But yeah, they rock. I would advise them. I'd advise them. I'd recommend them to anybody. Yeah, they're really good. The Icon Konflict with a K glove. They fit like a glove. Yep. So this is a little added bit on, so I don't know whether to say goodbye, but I will. I'll say catch you later. Oh, oh, on the wings of a dove. Oh, oh, on the wings of a dove.